Hello and welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this tutorial we can discuss how to edit audio spectrum. First, open the Play Store and search Vivo Video. Install this app. After installing, open the app. After opening the app, you will be shown some options: effect, audio spectrum, photo, beats, and more. Click the audio spectrum option. Allow the permissions. From where to select the audio, click on this option. I am selecting audio from video, so I select video library. You can change the style of the spectrum by clicking style option. Change the video background and spectrum center background. After that, export your video. I hope this video will be helping for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials.